Hi and welcome to another video where we look at trading systems on the internet. This one we managed to get to return 100% return on our capital starting from January 2020 to June 2020 in the backtest. This trading robot is for Metatrader 4. It uses the RSI indicator and it is public domain, so it is completely free for you to download, and we'll give you all that information later on in this video. In terms of the format for the video, I want to start off by talking about brokers and VPS. In this instance, we are looking at Metatrader 4 brokers, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of brokers, of Metatrader 4 brokers. Then we'll get to the back test. So this is where we look at our past historical data using the algo, how it performed. And finally, we'll talk about the installation and configuration, where to download the trading robots, and how to get the configuration file or set file required to get the same results. First up, brokers and VPS. So in terms of using Metatrader 4, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of brokers which use the Metatrader 4 platform. It doesn't mean their backends are similar. In fact, the different levels of service and infrastructure can vary quite a bit between brokers. When you've got live real money in broker accounts, I think you need to be careful where you put your money and who you trade with. I personally, for live accounts and larger accounts, I only use regulated brokers. And there is a broker which I do recommend, and you'll see that in the description box below. The other thing about brokers is the information feeds are all slightly different. The spread, so that's the price difference between how much you buy something for and how much you sell something for, is different. And then also things like commission and all. There are literally so many different variables which can make brokers completely different. And if you are trading live, you really need to be using a broker that will execute your trades properly and accurately. Otherwise, you won't get anywhere near the results you should be getting. VPS. So VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. These are essentially Windows servers which sit on the cloud, so on the internet. You connect to them remotely. So I don't know if you've ever used something like Go to My PC or a remote desktop, which is how they work through remote desktop. But it allows you to connect to these machines which sit in the same data centers as brokers, so you get very quick execution. These servers usually are built especially to trade forex, and all you would do is you will put your Metatrader platforms on these VPS servers, and you let them focus solely on trading. Obviously, the problem that you have if you're using your own PC is that whilst trading, if you're checking your emails, watching videos, doing all sorts of bits and pieces, it can steal valuable CPU time. So yeah, your Metatrader platform may then miss trades or not close you out properly. So I always recommend using a virtual private server to trade your accounts. Okay, we're now going to do the back test. So as you can see, it's the RSI standard trading robot. It's the pound dollar on the 5-minute time frame, and then we're going to do the back test from $10,000. The date we're going to do from the start of January 2020 to July 2020, so 7 months. And now we're going to click start. So now I'm going to speed up the video so you can see the backtest results. Okay, it's done. I do like the shape of this chart. It is very linear, so good trades. And yeah, we'll save the report and look at it in a bit more detail. Okay, so here is the strategy tester report, or the backtest report. Like I said earlier, I do like the shape of this equity curve. It's very linear from start to finish, almost like a straight line going upwards. Obviously, there are drawdowns. No trading system wins 100% of its trades, but I do like the way this chart seems to grow. Now, looking at the figures, so going from top to bottom, this is pound dollar, the 5-minute time frame from the 2nd of January 2020 until until July, first few days of July 2020. And you can see the initial deposit, it's $10,000, and it's grown to just double, to just double that. Now looking at it, 90%, so 20% drawdown, which is probably okay for individuals, I think. Considering you can double your money, so the 6 months worth of back test, and it's double the money with a 20% drawdown. It's probably that big line there you can see between trades. It's around 90ish to 100 where that drawdown occurred. The other thing to note is the number of profitable trades. So approximately 37% of the trades are profitable. Now that may not be suitable for certain people. Depends on your trading psychology. Some people prefer much higher win to loss ratios. But yeah, it's all different with different people. But so long as it's profitable, in my mind, it doesn't really bother me. The other thing to note is that the average profitable trade is 750 versus an average loss trade of just half of that. So yeah, that's what you need to look at. I mean, it's not as as aggressive and profitable as some of the other ones I've looked at, but what I do like is it is a consistent linear chart. It's making a decent amount of profit for the risk. Okay, how to get this installed on your own broker system. So first of all, download the robot. You can do that on the website https://quivofx.com/expert-advisor/RSI-EA. Once you've got it and downloaded it, it is completely free, so make sure you get the free version. There is a paid for version, but I've done all the back testing and optimization on the actual free version, so get the free version. Install that into your experts folder, and once you've done that, you can go and get the configuration file. The configuration file you can get from the website, you can see on the screen, or you can get it from the description link below the video, where you can just double click and get to it. You will have to put in your email address, but you get an email with the configuration file or set file, which you would then install into the trading robot to get the same settings. Always recommend running your own back test and possibly starting off demo trading. Once you're happy with that, then you can go live. And you come to the end of the video. Just want to thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful and some good sort of ideas in there for your trading. If you wouldn't mind, I would really appreciate a like on the video and a subscribe if possible. It would really help me and help me build the channel. I really do enjoy making these videos. And if there are any other trading robots you have heard about and would like me to have a look at, run the optimization and back test, just drop me a comment and I'll be happy to look at it. Hopefully we'll see you at the next video. Thank you very much.